What it do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is the video that I'm gonna make the airdrop to my active members, okay? And from there I'm gonna show you my plan for the next few days and my live deposit, okay? So stay tuned in. So if you come over here to my notepad, we can see that I have a few numbers right here. So each number represents a member, okay, under my team. Okay, so all these members, so I have 20 something members and only 9 are active. Okay, so I am going to airdrop $11 to every single member. Okay, so I'm not going to do it live, right, because you know, you will have to go through a process. I'll have to receive the code on my phone, etc. Okay, but I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna do the airdrop, and each member should receive $11. Okay, and then after that, I will show you proof of their transactions. Okay, so stay tuned in. And as you can see right here, guys, all my team members have received $11 for appreciation to be under my team. And as we go along, okay, I will intend to keep these airdrops as long as the project's still up and running. Okay, we'll be gonna do these airdrops to active investors. Okay, so if you're not on Amz Doge, okay, there is a referral link, and also there is a tutorial link step by step how to get started and how the project works. Okay, so now let's go over to my deposits. So as you can see right here, I have 5,009, okay, .3899. Let's go over to Quantrade. I don't have any trades at the moment. Okay, so the previous trade ended a few hours ago, 509. Okay, and by the way, guys, I built this thing from $10. Okay, from $10 right there on the 21st of January. Okay, $10, and then all the way to $500 today. Okay, so today I decided to, you know, follow this strategy. So I'm going to invest 5,000. Okay, so in average, the platform sometimes plays 2.5, 2.6, sometimes 1.8, you know, so I would say the average is going to be 2.25, okay? So if I deposit 5K, I will be making 112.5 in 24-hour plan, okay? So my balance will be this, and then I will tend to compound and so on, okay? I want to compound up to day 11. Okay, why day 11? Because I used to DCA and I have new coins to buy. Okay, I have 28 coins that I want to buy. Okay, I want to invest $50 in all these coins. Okay, because I believe when the bull market comes, I will make probably 3 to 10x on any single of these coins. Okay, so if I have $50 times 28, that equals 1,400. Okay, 1,400. That's all I need. Okay, so if I come to day 11 and the project's still up and running, I will have 60. Let's say 6.4. Okay, so 6.4. I'll be able to, you know, buy all these coins. I'll be able to make my DCA. Okay, hopefully all will go well. Okay, so 24-hour plan. I'm gonna get this dog. It doesn't matter which dog you have. Okay, so my investment will be 5,009, and you know, over here gives you an estimate of 150. Bear in mind, this average right here, it's after tax. Okay, 5,009 dots. How much is it? 38.99. $38.99. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. So as you can see right here, my average is below the estimate right there. Okay, because, you know, I want to stick to the average because I've done some maths with the previous. Let's go ahead and submit. Okay, I've done some maths with the previous trades, and I came to a conclusion that, you know, the average is about 2.4. Okay, 2.4 is the average. Okay, but I'm giving myself 225. Okay, 225. I'm happy with that. Okay, and yeah, if you do the maths, 2.4 is the average. Okay, if I do 2.25, it will take me 11 days to reach my target, which is 0.4k. Okay, but if I do a 2.4, let's see how long will it take me. So if we do this one, go down 2.4. So see, if I do 2.4, it will take me, there you go, 11 days. So it doesn't change much. It does not change much. Okay, let's flick this one to 2.5. And that's my strategy. So if I decided to compound this all the way to 30 days, I will almost double my money. Okay, so if I come all the way to 30 days, you can see right here on day 30, my total balance will be $9,765. Okay, but you know, again, we gotta take profits. We gotta take profits. That's why, you know, I probably when I come to day 5, I will cut some profits. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see how it goes. But hopefully all will go well, and I will be able to fulfill my goal, which is, you know, buy all these coins $50 each. Okay, because you know when the bull market comes, so let's say I pick one coin and that coin does 10x. Okay, so that $50 instantly goes to $500. Okay, so if I invested 1,400, I'm just down $900. Okay, but I don't believe just one coin will do 10x and the other ones won't do nothing. Okay, guys, if I do 2-3x's, I will make my money back plus profits. Okay, that's why I want to, you know, make this work, and hopefully in the future be able to buy these coins and add these coins to my portfolio, because when the bull market comes, you know, I would love to make at least 50k from all my portfolio. Okay, but yes, guys, today that's the video about my 5k deposit and airdrops to my team members. Okay, and yeah, I will keep you updates about my strategy, and I will let you know if I will succeed in this plan, or you know, I will get wrecked. Okay, so stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.